Look, there's an ambulance. Oh, wow, 2 of them. Cool. I'm gonna drive the other one. Mama, can we play the ambulance game? And I'll pretend to get sick.
Well, okay, but don't wander off too far now.
Okay. The ambulance wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The ambulance wheels go round and round, all through the town. Uh-oh, looks like someone's in trouble. Well, here we come to save the day. Let's go! The ambulance siren goes woo, 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 woo. The ambulance siren goes woo, 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 all through the town. The ambulance stops to help a friend, help a friend, help a friend. The ambulance stops to help a friend just around the bend. Now breathe. Good. And we're all done. Oh, oh. The ambulance doctor saves the day, saves the day, saves the day. The ambulance doctor saves the day and takes the ouch away. Yay! Wow, thank you for helping me. Now who wouldn't stop to help a friend? Indeed.
The red light means
Help's on the way, on the way, on the way.
the red light means
Help's on the way.
and everyone shouts
Hooray! Hooray! Uh-oh, I spy an injury straight ahead. Oh, time for Team Ambulance. I see a friend who's bruised his knee, bruised his knee, bruised his knee. No more climbing up that tree. Just rest and you'll feel better. Thank you. It's our pleasure. We aim to please. Here we go. The ambulance wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The ambulance wheels go round and round, all through the town, all through the town. Yes, sir. Team Ambulance.
Okay, who wants to help me make ice cream? Nobody? Where did everybody go?
Over here.
Oh dear, oh dear, what's happened over here? The paints are on the floor and everything is smeared. Oh my, oh my, oh me, oh me, oh my. Please clean this up. It's a real pigsty.
Okay, Mommy. Yes. Oh, yes. My favorite word is yes. Me too. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. My favorite word is yes. Yes is just so happy. It brings out the very best. I like saying yes.
Oh, Wookie, what's the matter? Are you hungry? Oh dear, what's happened over here? Wookie's very hungry. I think he's made it clear. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh me, oh my. Would someone please come feed him so Wookie doesn't cry?
Oh, Wookie! Yes! Oh, yes! My favorite word is yes. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes, 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 yes! Oh, yes! My favorite word is yes. Yes is just so happy. It brings out the very best. That's what I always say.
What's your favorite word?
I bet you'll never guess. Is it no? No, silly. Okay, now wait for
clean them up. Let's go. Okay. There's no more time to play. It's time to eat, so wash your hands and please do as I say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, oh yes. Our favorite word is yes. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes, oh yes.
Can you say it?
Yes, I can say it.
So can you.
Yes, 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 yes.
What a bunch of sillies.
Yes, sirree, Bob. Wait, who's Bob? Look what Mommy has. Oh, boy, balloons. Balloons make me giggle. Everything makes you giggle. Mama gave me a balloon to blow up and to fly. She said,
Be careful, don't pop it.
I sent it to the sky. Wait. What color is this? Red. That's right. It's red. My balloon looks like a head. It flies so gently in the air. My balloon looks bright up there. It does look like a head. It does. Daddy likes to shape balloons. He makes us funny toys. He twists them into animals, and sometimes they make noise. What color is this? Blue. That's right, it's blue. My balloon is floating too. It flies so gently in the air. My balloon looks bright up there. It's shiny blue. Yep, I love balloons. I'm going to have a birthday. I have one every spring with balloons of every color, flying high on strings. Look out! What color is this? Green. That's right. It's green. My balloon is called Doreen. It flies so gently in the air. My balloon looks bright up there. Hi, Green Doreen. Balloons make squeaky noise. Balloons make funny sounds. You can even pop them when no one else is here. Around. Balloons just make me giggle. I really don't know why, but I like lots of colors. Look, that one is tie-dyed. Oh, they're pretty. What color is this? Tie-dye. Indeed, tie-dye. My balloon is way up high. It flies so gently in the air. My balloon looks bright up there. It does. Balloons, balloons are everywhere. Oh, look! It's the ice cream truck! Yay! Ice cream for ice cream! The ice cream truck wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The ice cream truck wheels go round and round, all through the town. Well, hello, kids. May I take your order, please? Yes, I'd like a very blue popsicle with extra magic sprinkles, please. Coming right up. Oh, boy. Why, thank you. The ice cream truck chimes go jingle, jingle, do. Jingle, jingle, do. Jingle, jingle, do. The ice cream truck chimes go jingle, jingle, do. All through the town. Great little tune, isn't it? I'd like 2 ice cream sandwiches, please.
Why, of course. Who's ready for round two?
I